Good morning, class. Welcome to your English class. Today we will start a new lesson. Lesson 4, Stranger by the Window. Stranger means whom we don't know, the person we don't know. By the window. Stranger sitting at window side. Theme is moral values. Moral values means some principles how to behave or to talk. How to behave or talk. So let's start. A lesson that not all strangers are bad and we should check ourselves first before pointing a finger at someone else. The lesson is about every strangers are not bad and we should first check ourselves before blaming to others. How is that? Thought Neha. That was her book, her new book. She had not even finished reading it. How was it with the man at the window? The window berth was just opposite their cubicle. Cubicle means a space in a compartment that is partition off. It is often it is for privacy, which Neha and her mother were sharing with the lady on the bunk. It was one of the old second class sleeper compartments. Neha liked it. She liked the corridor that separated the cubicles from the window berth. One could have a stroll along it. Stroll means walk. Neha was stressed by seeing the man at the window has taken her book. She was thinking, how could he take her book without her permission? She had not even read it. The window seat at which the man was there just opposite to the Neha's cubicle means a space in a compartment that is partitioned off and it is often to ensure privacy, and that was shared by the lady on a bunk. Bunk means a pair of single beds built as a unit one above the other, and that was fixed to wall. Neha liked the cubicles. Bunk, the seat above seat. This is a seat and above this seat. This is bunk. Neha liked the cubicles which were on old second sleeper train. She liked that they separated the cubicles from the window berth because anyone can walk there, can roam there, और जैसे कहते हैं टहल सकता है कोई भी वहाँ पर. Good morning, class. Let's continue with the lesson 4, Stranger by the Window. So come on, second paragraph. Let's begin. Page number 24. Neha had been enjoying chit-chatting with her friend Nikhil in the other cubicle. While coming back, just at the entrance of the cubicle, she looked back and spotted the book. Neha was talking with her friend Nikhil, who was in other cubicle. After talking to him, when she came back to her cubicle and she was at the entrance only, she turned and see that there was a book beside the man at the window seat. How come my book is lying with you, sir, here? Neha cried out. The man did not stir. He was busy reading a newspaper that covered his face sideways. He did not reply. That enraged Neha. Excuse me, she asked earnestly. Yes, the man replied without looking up. Busy reading, huh? Listen, can I take my book? Neha was angry. Your book? Which one? The man looked around. My book, yes. This one, Panchatantra. She loudly asked the man that how her book was lying there with him. The man did not answer Neha, and he was busy as he was. Listen, can I take my book? Neha was angry. Your book? Which one? The man looked around. My book? Yes, this one, Panchatantra. She loudly asked the man that how her book was lying there with him. The man did not answer Neha as he was busy with his newspaper and did not move. His face was covered with newspaper on sideways. His face was covered with sideways. And he did not reply to Neha, and which made Neha angry. She seriously asked her to excuse. Enraged means make her angry, and honestly means in a serious manner. She seriously asked him to excuse. The man replied yes without looking at her. She, with full of anger, asked him, was he busy reading the newspaper, and asked him to listen if she could take her book. The man looked around and asked her which was her book. She said that yes, her book, and that one Panchatantra. Can she take back her book Panchatantra?